Hello. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening to everybody. At ang daming daanan dito.
Hello, Gabby. Good evening
Hello.
and welcome to our show. Thank you.
It's nice to be in the Sharon Show. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And it's nice to see that you have a lot of friends in the show.
Of course, we're all excited that you're here also. Maraming salamat, Gabby. At hindi mo kami binigo ngayong gabi. Thank you very
Well,
much.
this is my first time to co-host with you. Madalas kasi kay Vilma.
Yes.
Kay Ate V.
Ate V, hello.
Hello. And it's really nice to be here now with you.
Yes.
Of course. And kasama yung mga kaibigan natin on the set.
Alam mo, I'm very happy that you're here kasi itong first time namin na nagkaroon ng guest co-host. At syempre, kailangan ng unang-una doon ay ikaw, di ba? So, talagang
hindi. First time ninyo magkaroon ng
guest co-host. Oo, first time.
Oh, that's good. Si Jimmy at si Herbert nandiyan pa.
Oo, alam mo, naninibago nga ako dahil instead of yung aking big and small, nandito yung aking pogi. Hindi ba? Ayan.
Well,
You didn't forget to come over to me.
Well, I have my watch to prove that I have the time to come over.
May I see your watch?
It's the nice watch that
I know that watch.
came from you. Okay.
Nandiyan pa pala yan. Hindi.
So, well, huwag natin kakalimutan na we still have a lot of guests. So, let's go on with the show.
Yes.
Okay, we have tonight Isa Sigera.
Yeah, later, you know why? Itong mga i-introduce natin, nandito ka, di ba? Wala si Casey. Si Casey ay nagbabakasyon sa States. And whenever I see you, I remember her. At yung ating mga i-introduce, mga parang kalaro ni Casey yan, di ba?
Okay, that's right.
At of
Like I
course, mga
mentioned
kaibigan, uuwi po si Casey ng matagal pa, mga May pa ho. So, nandito muna ang ating mga kaibigan na mga kalaro ni Casey, our very special guests, mga kaibigan. Gabby?
Isa Sigera.